Hi everyone, it's Anita and Ron from Altro, and we're bringing you a series of short videos detailing the best practice guide for floors and walls. So in other words, what to look out for when signing off a job.
Hi everybody. Today we're going to be looking at planning the area and where the joints should be placed.
Okay Ron, so what are we looking at here? I can see there is a red cross on this image, so presumably this is showing bad placement of joints.
Yeah, what we're looking at is the joint in the middle of the doorway.
And why is this bad?
Well, your eyes are drawn to the joint in the centre of the room, sort of detracting away from the aesthetics of the floor. And therefore the joint is actually where most foot traffic goes. So it's placing unnecessary pressure on that joint.
Yeah, I can clearly see that. So just tell me, why does this image show best practice?
Well, it shows best practice. It shows the ideal layout of the joints. It's much better looking. It's more aesthetically pleasing. Draws attention away from the joint, and it's placed away from the heaviest foot traffic area. So you're placing less stress on the joint and ensuring it will last longer.
Yeah, that's definitely a great example of best practice. So why don't we do a quick comparison of the two side by side?
Okay. So you can clearly see the image on the right shows the best practice for placement of joints. It's aesthetically pleasing, it draws attention away from the joint, and it's placed away from the area of heaviest foot traffic.
Yeah, it really is great seeing them side by side. So let's now take a look at a joint around a drain. Why is this a bad example?
Well, what you're looking at here is the joint actually running right across the drain.
And why is this bad?
Well, the drain and the floor are not secured, and the gap means there's the potential for water ingress, bacteria and bugs to get in between the subfloor and the flooring.
That's a great explanation. So let's have a look at what a good job would look like. Can you explain why this shows best practice for joints around a drain?
Well, this shows that the joint is placed well away from the drain. It provides for a stronger weld, making it more durable. The drain and the floor are both secured with no access points for water ingress, bacteria and bugs.
Okay, great. So let's just do a quick comparison of the two drain examples side by side.
Wow, you can clearly see the image on the right provides a stronger weld, making it a much more durable solution. The drain and the floor are both secured and there's no access point for water ingress, bacteria, and you get a much more hygienic finish. Before we go, here's a little tip. Please ensure that the correct adhesive is used for the area of which the flooring is to be installed. We always recommend Ultrafix 19+ for wet environments and in commercial kitchens where there'll be water and spillages.
That's great. Thanks for that tip, Ron. So we hope you found this best practice guide for placement of joints useful. To keep up to date with the rest of our best practice guide videos, follow us on our YouTube channel, where you can also view many of our other useful hints and tips. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks everyone. We look forward to seeing you again soon.